Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Red Lion Inn and Suites Kennewick Tri-Cities. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are pet-friendly and a free Wi-Fi. Red Lion Inn and Suites Kennewick Tri-Cities located in Kennewick, Washington. This hotel is a 5-minute drive from Coyote Bob's Casino. It features a hot breakfast, on-site laundry facilities, and free Wi-Fi. Each traditional guest room at Red Lion Inn and Suites Kennewick Tri-Cities has a microwave, refrigerator, and coffee maker. Guests can watch cable TV with the HBO channel or work at the desk. Free copies of USA Today are available at the 24-hour front desk of this pet-friendly hotel. Free truck, RV, and boat parking is also available on site. The Three Rivers Children's Museum is a 15-minute drive from Red Lion Inn and Suites Kennewick Tri-Cities. The Three Rivers Convention Center is 2 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.